Number 5, mouth water. Yes guys, it's your boy Roman and I'm here again with another video. And this week, we'll be looking at 10 words, 10 English words that have a different meaning in Jamaica. So, let's go. Number 1, craven. So, everywhere else in the world, the word craven means to be a coward. However, in Jamaica, the word means that you're greedy. So you tend to eat a lot. So you'd be like, oh, it's a craven. That's something that my mom would say to me a lot. And then she'd be like,
the fact that you eat so much, I'm going to cook a pot of rice, and if you eat it off, I'll beat you. But if you don't eat it off, I'll still beat you.
What? That don't make no sense.
and I mean, like, where's the logic? It just doesn't make any sense. Number 2, ignorant. In everywhere else in the rest of the world, the word ignorant tends to mean a lack of knowledge. But in Jamaica, the word ignorant simply means that you're easily angered, easily triggered. Miss said the boy ignorant. Number 3, green. So in everywhere else in the world, green is simply a color. And in Jamaica too, but it has a second meaning. Green usually means that you funky. And it's number 4, red eye. So in everywhere else in the world, red eye means to have a red eye, yes. But in Jamaica, red eye actually means something else. It means that you are jealous.
Jealous.
So for example, you see with ice cream and children will be like, oh, I want an ice cream too. And so someone will be like, oh, it's a red eye, everything I see you want. So yeah, so red eye just means that you are jealous. And in fact, there's a similar expression in Shakespearean English or in Shakespeare's time. It goes like this. The green-eyed monster mocks the meat it feeds on. And the green-eyed monster simply speaks someone who is easily jealous or envious, covetous. I don't know, y'all know the word I'm looking for. So yeah, so number 5, mouth water. So in everywhere else in the world, mouth water means water that comes from your mouth, which is or should be called spit, I think. I don't know. But in Jamaica, mouth water has 2 meanings. The first meaning is backwash. So backwash is when you drink something and when you remove the bottle, some of the liquid that was in your mouth goes back down in the bottle. So that's backwash. So when you share a drink, you usually don't want someone to backwash. The other instance or the other meaning for that expression or those 2 words is it's drooling. So when you sleep and you drool like when you drool like that drooling. Number 6, out of order. So in everywhere else in the world, out of order simply means to not be in service. So you go to the bathroom and you see out of order, it means out of service, it's not working, it's not functioning. But in Jamaica, out of order simply means that you're rude or disrespectful. So for example, let's say I'm talking and someone interrupts me and just joins my conversation, I would be like, yo, Tadani. Number 7, swarty. This word in English means to have a black colored skin, black pigmented skin. In other words, you're dark. However, in the Jamaican context, if someone says you're swarty, it really means that you're obese, you're really fat, you're large, you big man, you like too big. So for example, you'd hear someone say, you're in swarty, just big and wagga wagga. Like wagga wagga, that's a word for another time, that's not even English. So the word swarty simply means for us to be really large, fat or big. And just to make a point there, if you're all fat, nothing's wrong with that. It's okay to be big, to be the size you want. Just don't be obese and unhealthy, alright? Number 8 is really an expression, kiss your teeth. Generally, you can't kiss your teeth. It doesn't make logical sense. But in Jamaica, when you kiss your teeth, it's actually the equivalent of hissing your teeth. It's like, yo, how you talk to? Brother, calm down. Number 9, bright. Bright means luminous, or it could mean that you're intelligent too. In Jamaica, it also has those meanings, but there's another meaning to it, which simply means that you're rude or disrespectful. So for example, I went to the store and the guy thought I was shoplifting, but I would be like, in Brighton, you know, send me a good working class smaddy. Number 10 and last. This one is literally tricky and I don't like using it, In fact, there was a point in my life where I just didn't use the word at all. So the word is buddy, which means friend or, well, friend technically, yeah. In Jamaica, the word buddy means something else. It means you're, yeah. So that's why I don't like using the word. So when people be like, hey buddy, in my head, it's like they're saying, hey penis. So anyways guys, so this is my list of the 10 English words or expressions which mean something else in Jamaica. If you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscription button and share this video with at least one friend. That would be super cool. Alright, so to all my Jamaicans who are watching, what are some of the English words that have different meaning in Jamaica? Just simply type them down below. And to the non-Jamaicans, which one of these words were the most interesting, fun to you? And would you also like a part 2? Because there are a lot of words that are different. So anyways guys, don't forget to share this video. See you next week. Ciao, ciao. I'm like so in love with my hair right now. I mean, it just looks so nice and there's that natural oil in it. When I say natural oil, I mean sweat.